Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson. Today we reinforce family members and who questions through active writing.
Great. I am ready to write.
First, listen and write helps you hear a short text and write the words you hear. Second, make a sentence lets you build your own simple sentences with useful words.
Writing will help me remember the words better.
Exactly. So let us start with listen and write. Listen and write. This activity is a dictation. I will read a text aloud, and you will write what you hear.
I will listen carefully and write.
Listen to the whole text means you first hear everything for a first contact. Write what you hear means you write the words during the dictation. Check and correct means you compare your writing with the original text and fix mistakes.
I have my pencil ready.
Good. Listen first without writing, and now the dictation begins. My family is at home today. My mother cooks lunch, and my father reads a book. Who is in the garden? My sister is there with my baby brother. Who does my grandmother call? She calls my uncle and my aunt. Now I will read the text slowly, part by part. Nexo, are you ready to write?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Write the first part now. My family is at home today. My mother cooks lunch. And my father reads a book. Who is in the garden? My sister is there. With my baby brother. Who does my grandmother call? She calls my uncle and my aunt. Well done, everyone. Nexo, how did it go?
It was a little hard, but I wrote many words.
Now you can compare your writing with the original text and correct mistakes. Make a sentence. Now we will build 6 sentences, one for each main word. You can use 20 helper words and try to use who questions when they sound natural.
I like making my own sentences.
See an example means we will listen to Nexo do the exercise, so you have a model. Make your sentences means you create your own sentences with the main words and helper words. Nexo, are you ready to show us an example?
Yes, I am ready to try. Mother. Who is your mother? Father. My father is at home. Sister. Who does your sister call? Brother. My brother has a blue bag. Grandmother. Who is with your grandmother? Uncle. My uncle likes tea.
Excellent work, Nexo. Now it is your turn to write. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Good job. Good job. You practiced writing family words and who questions today. Keep your sentences and see you in the next writing lesson.